He made the heavens wide and azure, the mountains tall, the oceans too high. He painted forests deep and verdant and golden light. Amarillo shines for me. Colors of his love shining from above. Roro, azul, verde, sent from God above. Every color tells the story of his grace. He made this world a beautiful place. The snow falls white, blanco, pure and bright. The flowers bloom in rosa. The night is calm, Negro still, yet his glory shining always will. Colors of his love shining from above. Blanco, rosa, Negro, filled with peace and love. Every color whispers softly from his hand. Creation sings just as he planned. Orange, naranja, joy so near. Purple, morado, hope sincere. Every shade that lights the skies shows the power in his eyes. Colors of his love painted with care. Everywhere I look, God is there. Rojo, azul, verde, amarillo, praise his name. Dios es mi amigo.